Hi, this is James Taylor with Heritage Maine Real Estate. Real estate for buyers and sellers that want a relationship and a consultant, not a salesperson. So, between the holidays, Thanksgiving to New Year's, always the slowest time for real estate. The week between Christmas and New Year's, that's when realtors go on vacation. So, this is our slow time, supposedly. I listed a house this morning, just this morning, 5 a.m. I have 13 showings today. 13. I have showings tomorrow. I have showings into the weekend, all the way booked into Sunday. This is not a slow time of the year anymore. With everything online, everything available to look at through all these, housing websites, through realtor sites, it's just not a slow time anymore. So sellers, what are you waiting for? Get your house listed. Get it on the market. Let's get it sold. Thank you.